morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jimbo Sumbea, and this is my report. Understanding and reading disabilities and strategies for reading difficulties. Understanding reading disabilities is also known as dyslexia, refers to difficulties in acquiring and processing reading skills. Reading as disabilities are persistent and challenge that affects on individual's ability to read accurately, fluent, and comprehension. These difficulties often arise from deficits in the foundational skills needed for reading, such as phonemic awareness, decoding, or language processing. Uh, Kumbaga, ang understanding reading skills ang dyslexia. Ang dyslexia is known as affects on ability a person to read and write and spell. Struggle with spelling and understanding letter patterns and difficulties in reversing letters and numbers. And that's all. Thank you.
Strategies for reading difficulties. Reading difficulties can be challenging for many individuals, but there are strategies that can help improve reading skills. Here are some strategies to consider. Number 1. Pre-reading. The process of skimming a text to locate key ideas before carefully reading a text from start to finish. So, ang sa pre-reading kay kibalik example, magbasa ka dunad sa magbasa ka sa isa ka paragraph, tapos imo na yung imo na yung basahon tanan, imong basahon tanan sa pinakasuhan sa pinakawahi aron makuha nimo ang imong key ideas. Dito na ka magbasa, dito na ka magkano si pasabot kay sa ka gibasa dito. So number 2 is chunking. Procedure of breaking up reading material into manageable sections. So ang chunking kada, for example, kanang nagbasa ka tapos gusto imong tanaw na diri sa first paragraph sa mani ako ning sabton anay ibalik ka na ba sabton na nimo ang sasangking. Tapos ang ikatulo kay active reading. Reading something with a determination to understand and evaluate for its relevance to your needs. So kibali sa active reading po kanang kada wa kay sayangon ba wa kay sayangon sa imong pagbasa sa paragraph pasahon imong tanan kay determinado ba ka nang hibaw-an jud nimo ang gusto nimo ang paragraph or ang kwan sa sa story or kuan. Tapos sa use context clues kay a word or phrase in the same sentence that can help the reader decipher the meaning of unfamiliar word. So kibali sa use context clues kay kibali sample nagbasa ka tapos gusto sa sige nang basa-basa ka nang sa wa kay mangnuba na kuan kay balo sa tawag sa imong gipang sa mga sentence imong gipang basa tapos sige kag basa ba tapos murag sa imong nahon ay kasabot na daw ko ani ba dali ra ko nakasabot ani kay daghan naman kay naman kay kibali na nakibalik kay familiar na ba nimo ba ang mga word ba? So there is a visualize, create mental images of the content as you read. So sa sample tayo sa visualize, kibali magbasa ka tapos ang imong basa, for example kanang mother akaw drink a water. Alam mo muna agka ko na nag-inom og tubig kana nga nabambud so sa utok ba dadon na ang second sa istorya ibali ma-visualize na nimo bawaan na nimo daan ma-create ba sa imong images na mo di sa game. No.